Ang Iriga, maingay na sa sentro. Daming motor na mga di pasayro. Kaya maingay na sa sentro. Tapos mainit doon. Kung umuulan, presko ang weather. Iriga Elementary. Tapos St. Anthony, yung high school. Ang eskwelahan namin malapit sa bahay namin. Walking distance lang. Pero nung high school, medyo malayo na at malapit na sa sentro. I have many sisters and brothers. We are 11. And my mother died also when I was still young. 3 brothers, Pilimon, Pedro, and Jose. And all girls. Girls, your mommy, Felicidad, Perfecta, Inubiba, Rosario, Asuncion, ako, tapos Asuncion, visiting. Maano sa pagkain, mapili. Si tita naman, kahit ano, hindi siya namimili sa pagkain. Kasi pili payat-payat noon. Si tita malusog. Si Danny malusog yan. I told them to graduate college before coming here so they can have a job at once. Don't marry in Iriga, in Manila, because they have no job. I want Christmas to be peaceful and many gifts to receive. Tapos na.